everybody, it's me Dwi, and today I'm gonna show you how to make grilled chicken breast with sliced salad and lemongrass, and these are so much better and simple food. So let's get started. Make a grilled chicken breast with sliced salad and lemongrass. It takes just a few simple ingredients to make a restaurant quality food. We start with the ingredients sliced salad and lemongrass. Our Balinese name is sambal matah or lemongrass, chili, lime, sugar, oil, celery, salad, onion, and shrimp paste. And the grilled chicken ingredients are chicken breast, white pepper, and salt. Prepare all the ingredients and slice some salad. Slice some garlic and chili. If you want to spicy taste, you can chop some of chili. Slice lemongrass and chop the lemongrass. If everything has been sliced, take a bowl to make all ingredients that have been sliced. And then, squeeze all the ingredients until you smell and the lemongrass. Add a little salt, lime juice, and shrimp paste. Add enough oil into bowl. The second is prepare beans pork saute. The first, preheat the pan and then add a little oil. Put in a little shallot and lemongrass slice that has been mixed earlier. Add the beans pork and add a little salt and sugar. Saute the beans pork until the beans pork somewhat withered, and if it has withered, leave it aside. The third is chicken breast. Season the chicken breast with the white pepper and salt to taste on two sides. First, preheat the pan and add oil. If the pan is hot, then roast the chicken breast until the chicken breast color is golden brown. If you have give sliced shallot and lemongrass, saute for a while, then grilled chicken breast with shallot slice and lemongrass is ready for plating. And then prepare dinner plate, then put the sauteed beans pork on the plate. And put grilled chicken breast on the top. Put shallot and lemongrass slice on the top of grilled chicken breast. And for the plating, give a sliced chili and lemongrass for the garnish. Voila, grilled chicken breast with salad slice and lemongrass ready to serve. Happy trying, happy people!